There are motorhomes built to travel America, and then there are machines built to dominate the continent. Welcome back to drivetrain, the channel where we explore the most extreme, luxurious, and future-ready vehicles ever created. And today, we are stepping into a vision of pure power and prestige. This is the 2026 Mercedes-Benz 6x6 luxury motorhome for America. A machine that blends military-grade capability, legendary German engineering, and five-star living into one unstoppable rolling masterpiece. This is not just a motorhome. This is a mobile palace engineered for those who want to cross deserts, mountains, snowfields, and endless American highways without ever sacrificing comfort, status, or control over the next minutes. We are going to break down every detail of this incredible motorhome, from its commanding exterior design and ultra-luxury interior to its brutal 6x6 performance, advanced technology, safety systems, pricing expectations, ownership realities, and finally, whether this Mercedes 6x6 truly makes sense for life on the open road. So, buckle up, because this is not a normal RV review. This is what happens when luxury refuses to slow down. Starting with the exterior design, the 2026 Mercedes 6x6 luxury motorhome looks less like an RV and more like a high-security expedition vehicle built for elites. The towering stance-wide body, reinforced panels, and triple-axle setup immediately communicate authority. Massive off-road tires, heavy-duty suspension, and extreme ground clearance allow this motorhome to move confidently across deserts, rocky trails, snow-covered passes, and remote off-grid regions of America. The front fascia carries Mercedes-Benz's unmistakable design language with a bold grille armored bumper integrated, recovery points, and advanced cooling systems designed for heavy loads and extreme climates, LED light bars, roof-mounted equipment, racks, sealed windows, and underbody protection. Make it clear that every exterior detail exists for function, not decoration. This is not about appearance. This is about absolute capability. Step inside and the contrast is dramatic. The interior of the Mercedes 6x6 feels more like a luxury penthouse than a vehicle. The main living area features expansive lounge seating, wrapped in premium leather ambient LED lighting, real wood or brushed metal finishes, and an open layout designed for long-term comfort. Large panoramic windows flood the space with natural light, creating an airy, calm atmosphere even in the most remote locations. The kitchen is fully residential, equipped with a full-size refrigerator, induction, cooktop oven, microwave wine storage, deep sink, and extensive cabinetry, all finished to Mercedes luxury standards. The sleeping area offers a full-size luxury bed with a premium mattress, acoustic insulation, climate control, and integrated storage, ensuring hotel-level rest. Anywhere in America, the bathroom rivals high-end yachts, featuring a spacious shower, premium fixtures, smart water systems, and elegant finishes. Every inch of the interior is designed to feel intentional, refined, and effortless. Now let's talk about performance. Because a 6x6 like this demands serious engineering, built on a Mercedes heavy-duty industrial platform. This motorhome is powered by a high-torque diesel drivetrain engineered for reliability, endurance, and smooth power delivery. The 6x6 system provides extraordinary traction, stability, and control, allowing the vehicle to confidently handle sand, snow, mud, steep grades, and long-distance highway travel. Advanced suspension systems, heavy-duty axles, and intelligent traction management ensure a surprisingly smooth ride. Despite the size and weight, this is a machine built to cross states, regions, and continents. Without hesitation, technology plays a massive role in the 2026 Mercedes 6x6 luxury motorhome. The cockpit features fully digital driver displays, large infotainment screens, advanced navigation, terrain monitoring, vehicle diagnostics, and multi-camera systems providing a full 360-degree view around the vehicle inside the living area. Smart home-style systems control lighting, climate power, water, energy usage, and security from centralized touch panels, satellite communication, advanced GPS mapping, and remote monitoring systems ensure constant connectivity. Even far from civilization, safety is engineered at the highest level. Reinforced chassis structures, industrial-grade braking systems, adaptive stability, control, traction, management, hill, descent control, redundancy-based electronics, fire suppression, emergency power backups, and reinforced fuel and electrical systems all work together to protect occupants in extreme conditions. Now let's talk about price, because nothing about this motorhome is modest, while official pricing has not been released. Industry estimates place the 2026 Mercedes 6x6 luxury motorhome well into the multi-million-dollar range, depending on customization, interior finishes, technology, packages, and expedition. Upgrades. This reflects the bespoke build process, extreme engineering, and elite luxury that mass-produced RVs cannot approach. Ownership also involves specialized maintenance, storage, insurance, fuel, and logistics. However, for buyers already familiar with luxury yachts, private jets, or high-end expedition vehicles, this motorhome makes sense because it replaces multiple assets by combining transport, residence, and exploration into one self-sufficient platform. Purchasing is expected to involve a fully customized build process with long wait times due to exclusivity and complexity. When we talk about the advantages of the 2026 Mercedes 6x6 luxury motorhome for America, the biggest strength is that it delivers unmatched prestige capability, comfort, and independence. This vehicle is built for explorers, executives, celebrities, and individuals who want to experience America on their own terms without limits. At this level, travel is no longer about roads. It is about freedom to wrap it all up. The 2026 Mercedes 6x6 luxury motorhome is not for everyone, and it is not trying to be. This is a statement machine, a symbol of dominance, and one of the most capable luxury motorhomes ever imagined. If you dream of crossing America in total comfort, power, and privacy, this Mercedes stands in a class of its own. If you enjoyed this deep dive and want to see more extreme luxury machines like this, make sure to like the video, subscribe to Drive Rain, and comment below whether you would take this Mercedes 6x6 on the ultimate American road journey. We'll see you in the next one.